Good evening, students. Today I will discuss more about irrational number. In this lecture, I will tell you how to add, subtract, or multiply two or more irrational numbers. For this, suppose I am taking an example. Suppose I want to add root 5 plus root 5. Clear? Now root 5 plus root 5 is equal to 2 root 5. Okay, you can see we have root 5 two times. So 2 times means when just similar to, suppose I am taking x plus x. What is x plus x? 2x. Similarly root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5, because we have root 5 two times. Sometimes students write it like that, root 5 plus root 5 root 10. This is wrong. This is wrong. You cannot write root 5 plus root 5 root 10. Similarly, if you have 3 root 5 plus 6 root 5, okay, then 3 root 5 plus 6 root 5 means root 5. Here we have root 5 3 times and here root 5 6 times. 6 plus 3, 9 root 5. This again similar to just like 3x plus 6x is equal to 9x. This is just an example to tell you how to add root numbers. If I have a number 3 root 5 plus 6 root 7, can you add this number? No. These number will remain as it is. You cannot add these two. These two number will remain as it is. Okay. Just like 3x plus 6y. Can you add? Sometimes the student write 6 plus 3 9xy. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. Similarly here you cannot add 3 root 5 plus 6 root 7 because root 5 is different, root 7 is different. So you cannot add these two. Okay. I am taking more examples. Suppose you want to subtract. Suppose 6 root 7 minus 2 root 7. Now here you can see root 7. These are like terms. These are like terms. Both contain root 7. So 6 minus 2, 4. 4 root 7. Okay. Or I want to make you understand by another method. Suppose 6 root 7 minus root 7. You can see root 7 is common. So root 7 is common. Here what is left? 6 minus 2. Okay. You have taken root 7 common. Root 7 common. Here 6 will left minus 2. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. Root 7 into 4. So this will comes out to be 4 root 7. Okay. Finally what I want to say you that you can add the numbers in root and you can subtract the number in root if they are with like terms. Okay. 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay. You can see here both contain root 3. So you can subtract these two. But if we have like that 4 root 3 minus 2 root 5. Okay. You cannot subtract these two. Okay. If you want your answer in root. Okay. Because here root 3, here root 5. So you cannot subtract these two. But you can subtract these two. Because they have the same root. So 4 minus 2, 2 root 3. Okay, you cannot subtract these two. Similarly, 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5. Both contain same root. So you can subtract these 6 minus 2, 4 root 5. Or you want to add 6 root 5 plus 2 root 5. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8 root 5. Okay, so you can subtract or add any two irrational number if they have same root terms. Okay, if they have different, then you cannot subtract. If you want to subtract it by doing actual calculation, then you have to calculate root 3, you have to convert into decimal form, you have to convert root 5 into decimal, then you can subtract or add. But if you want your answer in root, then you must have both term with the same root. If you want to add or subtract any number, any irrational numbers, and you want your answer in root, then the root must be same in both the terms. Otherwise you cannot add or subtract. If the root are different, you cannot subtract or add. Now I am telling you how to multiply irrational number. Now for this I am taking example 2 root 5 into 6 root 5. Clear? For this, first multiply these two. 2 6 are 12 into, then multiply the number in root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. You know, root 5 into root 5 means when a thing is multiplied 2 times, its power become 2, root 5 square. And what is the meaning of root 5? Root 5 means 5 to the power 1 by 2. Root 5 means 5 to the power 1 by 2. And 2 is already there. Okay. 2 to get cancelled. 5 to the power 1 is 5. Or sometime you can also understand this concept by root 5 into root 5. 5 5 is a 25. And root 5 is 5. So in multiplication, we can multiply the number in the roots like this. And one more thing I want to tell you, beta, in root, suppose we have root 5 into root 3. In multiplication, we can multiply the different number in root. But in addition, we cannot add the number with different root. But in multiplication, we can multiply the number in different. We can multiply the number which are different in roots. Root 5 into root 3, root 15. Okay, suppose I have number 2 root 5 into 3 root 7. Okay, first we multiply 3 to the 6, root 7 into root 5, root 35. Suppose 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5, 3 to the 6 and root 5 into root 5, 5. 6 5 is 30. And if you want to add these two, 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5, 3 plus 2, 5 root 5. Here we cannot, sometimes the student do root 5 plus root 5, root 10. Okay, so this is incorrect. Sometimes the student add like that, 2 plus 3, 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5, 2 plus 3 5, 5 into root 5 root 10. This is wrong. Okay, you will directly add 2 plus 3 5 and root 5 will remain as it is. But in multiply, we will multiply these two, root 5 into root 5, 5, 2 3 is 6. Now I am taking one more example, 3 root 7 into 8 root 5. In multiply, 8 3 is 24, root 5 into root 7, root 35. But if you want to add these two number, no, you cannot add these two. It will remain as it is. Okay, but in multiply, you can multiply these two. Now I am solving one question for you. Suppose you want to solve 2 root 5 plus 3 root 7 minus 3 root 5 minus 8 root 7. Now you can see here is 2 root 5 and 3 root 5. These are the like terms. You can say these are the like terms. Why they are like terms? Because they both contain root 5. So we'll group these two terms together. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5, and similarly these two are alike. 3 root 7 minus 8 root 7. Now root 5, these are same, so we can subtract these. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 root 5 as it is. Now you can see these are again like term, both contain root 7. Now 3 minus 8 minus 5. So minus 5 root 7. So this will comes out to be minus 1, or you can simply write it minus root 5 minus 5 root 7. So this is the final answer. Now you cannot subtract these two or add these two because both contain different number in roots. Here root 7, here root 5. Now I am taking very interesting example. Can you solve it? Sometimes the student get confused. They say it will remain as it is because the number in the root are different. But this type of question can be solved like this. You can see 3 root 27. If I factorize 27, we can write it 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3 is 9, 3 is 27. This can be written like that. Minus 9 root 3. Okay. Now you know the concept of square root. If a number is paired, then it will comes out of the root. You know this thing in 8th class. 3, because this get paired, so it will come out. This will become 3. And this will remain in the root. Okay. This 3 comes out due to these two 3. Okay. After solving these two, this will become 3 and this 3 will remain in root. Minus 9 root 3. Now 3 3 is 9. 9 root 3 minus 9 root 3. Ultimately you will get answer 0. So this is very interesting example. If you have any question, okay, when there is a number in the root which can be factorized, so you can do the prime factorization of that number and then solve it. Okay. Now I am giving you one assignment. So this is the assignment for you students today. You have to solve these 6 questions. Now in next lecture, I will tell you how to rationalize the irrational number. Thank you.